Think about this. Every time you say, "Hey Siri," or type a Google search, or talk to a chatbot, something incredible is happening behind the scenes, right? A machine is trying to understand you, not just your words, but your intent. Today, we will break down exactly how that works. Welcome, everyone. We aren't just talking about code, we are talking about bridging the final frontier between humans and the machines, the language. Think about how effortless it is for you to ask a friend for a coffee. But for a computer, that's a mountain of unstructured data. We'll learn how to build a brain that deciphers that mountain. We'll move from basic text processing to deploying sophisticated conversational models using Azure's latest tool. Aren't you excited about it?